Okay, so on Gbpusd on the 4 hours time frame, I had this area of interest mapped out yesterday. Okay, but I don't trade on Mondays. Okay, or hardly trade on Mondays, so I didn't take this trade. As you can see, price dropped into this area. Okay, reacted to it, but failed to get to my take profit, which is just this green shaded area. Okay, so that is it for my 4 hours bias, okay, on Gbpusd. So this means that I'm looking out for buys. I'm looking out for buy trades, okay, this week. Okay, and aside from this area of interest, we also have this supporting trend lines, and then this is more like a third touch, okay, for this supporting trend line. So price can adjust just as an additional factor of confluence. We might actually see price reacting more to the upside from this area. Okay, so that is just it for that is quite basic. Okay, so that is it for my 4 hours time from 4 hours bias for this week. Okay, but I don't trade based on the 4 hours time frame. I only use the 4 hours time frame to get my directional bias for the week. Okay, so that is it for that. Now let us go down to the 1 hour time frame. I have a separate chart for the 1 hour time frame. Sorry. So I have a chart open for the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, let's see what we have. All right, so in anticipation of the fact that price can drop down into that the area of interest on the 1 hour time frame, on the 4 hours time frame, I mapped out this area as a likely area where price can actually drop from. Okay, but as you can see, price failed to get to this area. Price failed to get to this area today. So uh and that is it. And I missed this drop this earlier this morning. I was waiting for price to test this area, this area, before I take a sell trade. But price failed to get to the area, so that is it. That was how I missed this trade. So let me take it off. Okay, let me take this off. Okay, now another good area to watch out in the market for today is this area. Okay, this is just within it's just somewhere around the previous day low. Okay, so this is the previous day low. Okay, it's a very good place to look out for sell trades, sorry, to look out to buy. Okay, but before I let me just tag this previous day low. Okay, all right. Now, so that is it. This is basically what I'm looking out for today. Okay, though it is almost past my trading time, I don't like trading by this within this period, but then this is still a likelihood. Price can still drop down into this area of interest. Okay, but then before I take any trade here, I will have to wait for price to give me my reversal, what they call it, reversal structures or patterns, before I take any trade within this area. Okay, so once price drops into this area, or currently price has actually tested the area, but is yet to give me a pattern that I relate with. Okay, so we can just go down to the 15 minutes time frame to see if we can find any reversal structure. Okay, I'm not seeing anything that's relevant. This is no longer a good double bottom pattern. Okay, so we need something like this. Let me see if we can. Where is this part tool? Okay, if I see price do something like this again, okay, I'll be looking out for the buy and then close above this key level, this low of the month. Okay, if I can see price do something like this, okay, I won't start buying from this area. No, I will not do this. Okay, because price can actually violate this area. This is my area of interest. It is not an absolute area of interest. Price can violate it. Okay, the only thing that makes this area of interest valid is when price gives us a reversal structure within this area. Okay, price can still come down to this area and give us a double bottom pattern, okay, before going up. So what I'm going to do today is, if price drop down and then decide to close above this area of interest, giving us a double bottom pattern, then I'll be looking out for a buy trade down to this area, okay, or the high of the week or the high of the year key levels. Okay, so this is basically what I'm going to do today on Gbpusd, but though it is past my trading time, I don't like trading within this period. Okay, so but that is just what I'm looking out of seeing on Gbpusd. If it doesn't play out the way I anticipate, I will most likely be not be taking the trade, and then we're preparing for tomorrow trade. So that is just it for GBP.